Morning, children. How many of you like to eat good food? Have you started helping your mummy in the kitchen with cooking as yet? So let us see and let us begin with and explore some new information about food and food items. We begin with the first chapter of your science book, that is food. Where does it come from? All living beings need food which act like fuels in vehicles to give us energy in order to do work and sustain life, that is to keep us living. There are two types of organisms based on whether they can make their own food or not. Green plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, hence, they are called autotrophs. Other animals and humans get food from plants and other animals, hence, they are called heterotrophs. It is very essential to learn the spelling of heterotrophs. We say heterotrophs, but we spell it as heterotrophs, that is Heterotrophs. So, I hope you have learned the spelling now. We know that we all need food, but how does food help us? Let us see. Food performs the following functions. It gives us energy to work and perform our daily activities. It helps in the growth and development of our body. Food helps in building new cells to replace old worn out cells of the body. It provides protection against diseases. So, all my children who do not eat well, please make an effort to do so right now. All of us like tasty and well cooked food, but have you ever thought how much effort and raw materials go into making a food item which we eat as part of our daily meal? Raw material is the basic material from which the food item is made. For example, kheer requires milk and rice and sugar. These are also called ingredients of a food item. Now find out the raw materials or ingredients for your favorite food items like pizza, pasta, idli, sambar, kadhai paneer, custard, etc. Why do we need to cook food? We can all have raw fruits and vegetables and meat products. We need to cook food because, number one, harmful microorganisms present in food get killed due to heat. This protects us from food-borne diseases like diarrhea. Number two, raw food is difficult to digest. Cooking makes food soft and easy to digest. Number three, cooking helps us to make food tasty or it improves the taste of food. Children, now you know that mummy's cooked food at the home restaurant is the best in the world. Do you know that we eat certain parts of plants as food? All parts of the plant, like roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds, are eaten by us in some form or the other. Carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, and sweet potato are the roots which we eat, whereas potato, onion, ginger, garlic, sugarcane are some of the stems. You will learn why potato, onion, ginger, and garlic are stems at a later date. Cabbage, coriander, spinach, mint, and lettuce are leaves which we eat. The flowers which we eat are cauliflower, broccoli, saffron, rose, etc. Tomato, chili, brinjal, papaya, pea, banana, apple, mango, cherry are the fruits, some of the fruits which we eat, whereas peas, dal, groundnut, dhania, zira, gram, til or sesame and mustard are some of the seeds. Can you add a few more names to the list? Banana is the only fruit plant whose stem, flowers, and fruits are eaten. The stems and flowers are equally delicious and eaten in many parts of eastern and southern India. The leaves are also used as plates during marriages and religious festivals. So it is a plant where nearly the whole tree is utilized in some form or the other. We come to spices and beverages now. Things which add taste to our food are called spices. These are derived or got from plants. Some examples are cardamom, turmeric, dhania or coriander, zira or cumin, mustard, etc. Beverages are drinks which are commonly consumed by us like tea, coffee, juices, and cold drinks. Tea is derived from dried tea leaves and coffee from coffee beans. Healthy food is always good for us. We will learn about how to make healthy sprouts. Sprouted dal is a very common healthy food item. You can make it any time at home. Take some moong gram seeds and soak it in water overnight. The moong should be the whole moong seeds, which we call as sabut moong in Hindi. Drain the excess water and tie the seeds in a moist cotton cloth. Keep the seeds away from sunlight in a covered container. Do not forget to wet the cloth every now and then. In a day or two, you will see small white roots growing from it. When the roots grow a little longer, it is time for you to eat it. These are called sprouts. Wash the sprouts well with water and make a tasty salad with it using other vegetables like cucumber, onion, and tomatoes. So now you've got something to do at home. Take your parents' help and make a tasty salad out of your sprouts. So, you have learned today about autotrophs and heterotrophs, the uses of food, what do you mean by ingredients, why we need to cook food, plant parts used as food, spices, beverages and their examples, and how to make a healthy sprout. There is a worksheet for you. I will read it out for you. You may copy it down or take a screenshot of the same as there is less time. Question 1. What are ingredients? Name the ingredients of some of your favorite food items like pizza, pasta, kadhai paneer, dal curry, custard, idli, sambar, and dosa. Question 2. Why do we need food? Question 3. Why do we cook food? Question 4. Give the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Question 5. Fill in the blanks. Cooking food protects us from dash diseases. Dash is a common beverage from South India. Animals depend on dash directly or indirectly for food. Question 6. Find out different food items from different parts of India. Now find out what ingredients are used for each of them. I take your leave today. I hope that you have liked what you have learned. We will be back with more such lessons. In the meanwhile, stay home and stay happy and safe. God bless you all, my children.